soldier or sailor who rebels or refuses to obey the orders of a person in authority. Matnir is a noun. For example, the Matnir seized control of the ship and took the captain hostage. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Hamashri from 7th class. Today's thought of the day. Nature is painting for us. Day after day, pictures of infinite of beauty. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone. Myself Jasmine from 7th class. Latest bulletin news. The latest advancements in AI, robotics and other emerging technologies. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ramu from 7th class. Today, latest political news. The opposition of the government policies actions. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Karthikeyan from 7th class. Today latest business news. Government initiative to boost economic growth and development. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone, myself Rohit from 7th class. Latest sports news. Indian cricket team performing in international matches, including the ongoing series against West Indies. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. This is Navdeep from 7th class. Latest technology news. India's ever to became a hub for technological innovation and development. Thank you all.
Good morning one and all. Myself Kavya from 7th class. Sanskrit Slokam. Vasudeva Sukam Devam Kanchacharuramardhanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadguru. Its meaning: I worship Lord Krishna, Vasudeva's son, Devaki's extents, who killed the demon like Kansha and Chanu, and he is Guru of the whole world. Thank you. A devotional from 7th class. Om Jai Ganapati, Jai Jai Ganapati, Jai Jai Ganesha, Jai Kodaka Ganesha, Jai Mulugu Buddha Ganesha, Ganesha. Hi Hi Ganesha, Adiyasta Ganesha, Abimugu Buddhi Ganesha, Ganesha. Lokam Nalmurala Vedaya Kulasa, Desham Malvalmula Yedvarasa, Mosam Jala Sankyana Undaya Hamesha, Pambam Mulmula Terigana Teresa, Chiti Yalakam Yeki, Gati Gurmula Meki, Chiku Vinsala Vinsapati Tamasha, Ganesha Ganganpati, Ganesha Ganganpati, Ganesha Gangam Gam Gam Ganpati. Hi Jai Ganesha, Jai Kodaka Ganesha, Jai Mulu Buddha Ganesha, Ganesha. Hi Hi Ganesha, Adiyasta Ganesha, Abhimu Buddha Ganesha, Ganesha. Title: The Value of Education. Characters: I am the narrator.
I am the farmer as father. I am the son.
I am the villager.
I am the villager too.
I am the postman.
Meet a farmer who does not value education. He wants his son to work in the fields instead of attending school.
Bye Dad, I am going to school. Once come. Why are you wasting time in school? Come help me in the field. No Dad, I want to go into school, not to field. Shut up, go to field and start the work. No Dad, I want to go to school, not to field.
Push, 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 push. Hello farmer, I have a letter for you.
Did not know how to read this letter. Yes, please read this letter for me.
Sorry, I am busy. Ask someone else.
What's your problem? I did not know how to read this letter. Can only read at night, not in the morning. This is ridiculous. Why did not learn to read and write?
The farmer's inability to read highlights the challenges of illiteracy, but then the postman offers some wise words.
Farmer, why are you worried about reading the letter?
It's from my friends and I did not know what it says.
Then why are you stopping yourself from going to school? Education is key to empowerment and confidence.
You are right. We'll send my son to school from now on.
discussions. Education will open doors for your son and empower to achieve great things.
The farmer realizes the importance of education and decides the priorities it for his son. The skit highlights the value of education for personal growth and empowerment.